Welcome back. In this session, we're diving into how to research and write engaging content, because content creation isn't just about posting what comes to mind, it's about being intentional and informed. Let me walk you through practical steps you can use, whether you're a beginner or trying to get better at showing up online with substance. 1. Start with your audience in mind. Before you write anything, ask yourself, who am I speaking to? What are they struggling with? What questions do they have that I can answer? What do they need to hear today? When you understand your audience, you stop creating for everyone and start connecting with someone, and that makes your content land better. 2. Use the 3-source rule for content research. If you're stuck on what to talk about, use this simple research approach, a LinkedIn search bar. Type in keywords related to your industry or interest, like personal branding, job hunting, or sustainability, and check out recent posts. Observe what others are talking about, how people are responding, and where your own perspective might fit. Comment sections. Go into the comments of viral or thoughtful posts in your niche. People often leave questions, opinions, or gaps in understanding. Those are goldmine ideas you can create content around. See Google and answer platforms like Quora or Reddit. Type in your topic on Google and scroll down to People Also Ask. These are real questions people are searching for. Platforms like Quora and Reddit also expose you to how people are thinking and expressing their needs. 3. Create a simple idea bank. You don't need to post every idea immediately. Create a content ideas folder on your phone or Google Docs. Use this format: topic, what the post will be about; pain point or question, what the audience is facing; your angle, your personal take, tip or story; CTA or call to action. What you want the reader to do, like comment, reflect, share, and so on. Just having your ideas organized takes away 80% of the stress when it's time to write. 4. Turn simple ideas into powerful posts. Let's say you came across this comment on a LinkedIn post. I struggle to stay visible on LinkedIn without feeling like I'm oversharing. That's an idea right there. Now follow this structure. Relate to the problem. I used to feel the same way. I didn't want to post too much and come off as desperate. Share a shift or lesson. Then I realized being visible doesn't mean being loud. It means being intentional. Give a quick takeaway. Here's how I now create content that serves without overwhelming. Ask a question. Have you ever held back from posting because of fear of judgment? Just like that, a simple sentence became a full post. 5. Don't copy. Adapt and add your voice. It's okay to be inspired by what others are saying, but never copy and paste. Instead, add your own story. Give a real-life example. Speak in your natural tone. Authenticity is what makes people trust you, not just the information you're sharing. 6. Batch, edit, and schedule. Set aside time each week to write 2 to 3 posts at once. This helps you save time, stay consistent, and avoid last-minute panic. After writing, read out loud to check if it sounds natural. Keep your sentences short. Use line breaks. Avoid big grammar. Simple always wins. Final thoughts. Researching and writing great content doesn't require magic. Just intentional observation, planning, and honesty. Pay attention to what people care about. Speak into that with clarity. And stay consistent even when your posts don't get much engagement at first. Remember, content is not just about what you know, it's about how you communicate it to make people feel understood, seen, or empowered.